In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Zendesk account. So navigate to the Zendesk website, and right there on the home page, look for the Sign In button. Click that, and then enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next steps. Next, we need to open the Admin Center. At the top of the page, you'll see a drop-down menu called the Zendesk Products menu. Click on that, and from the options provided, select Admin Center. This is your hub for all administrative tasks within your Zendesk account, and changing your signature is one of them. Once you're in the Admin Center, let's navigate to the Workspaces section. Here, you should see a variety of options along the left sidebar. Click on Workspaces to proceed. This is where you can customize how your team interacts with customers, and it's also where we find the signature settings. After you click on Workspaces, look for an option labeled Agent Interface. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can adjust the settings specifically for agents, including your email signature. Now, here comes the critical part, updating your signature. You'll want to locate the designated signature settings area. This is the place where you can type or edit your text. You might want to change your name, title, contact details, or even include a brand message that represents your organization. Take your time here, as this signature will be included in all your outgoing emails, and it's a great way to leave a professional impression. Once you're satisfied with your new signature, it's time to save those changes. Look for the Save button. This is usually found at the bottom or the side of the signature settings area. Click this button to apply all your updates. Don't skip this step, because without saving, all your hard work will be lost. And that's it. You've just successfully updated your email signature in Zendesk. Now, each time you send an email to your customers, they'll see your new signature, which will help strengthen your brand and improve communication. If you followed along and made the changes to your signature, give yourself a pat on the back. Changing your signature can really enhance your professionalism and make your emails feel more personalized. Remember, a good email signature not only includes your name and title, but can also include alternate contact methods and even links to your company's website or social media accounts. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to change your signature in Zendesk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more instructional content. Whether you're looking to optimize customer communication or enhance your Zendesk skills, we've got more tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, happy emailing.